Sourdough is healthy and makes great bread. It is basically just a mixture of flour and water that has been allowed to ferment. But what do you do when you feed it weekly, but it gets out of hand and you have an abundant amount of sourdough starter? There are all kinds of things you can do with sourdough starter. You can make crackers, pasta, brownies, pretzels, cookies, pancakes, etc. But if time doesn't permit me to make these things, I know I can use this starter for a simple recipe for the animals. While dogs do love this, I also enjoy making this for our goats. This allows me to add medication or herbs or anything that they may need to consume. The recipe I am making today is simple and will become dog treats. All you will need is your sourdough starter, flour, and apples. I start with 3 small apples that I cut into tiny pieces. I put this into a bowl and add 3 cups sourdough starter. Make sure you don't take it all so that you can keep it going and active for the next time you need to use it. I stir this and add 2 cups of flour. If I have ground too much flour from a previous recipe and didn't use it all, and it's considered old flour, I use it in this recipe. It works just fine. After I add the flour, I stir and add 1 cup of water. I again stir to combine. Then I spread this out onto a cookie sheet. Make sure to put a light coat of butter on the tray or use parchment paper to prevent it from sticking during the baking process. Place in the oven on 350 degrees for 1 hour and 15 minutes. When it comes out of the oven, let it cool and cut it into pieces. This is a moist dog treat. However, if you would prefer a harder treat for them to bite down on and have a crunch, just bake an additional 20 to 30 minutes. I guarantee this will be a hit with your animals, and it is healthy for their guts. We here at Survival Homestead Teaching Farm hope you have enjoyed this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.